As the world grapples with the challenges of food security, climate change, and sustainable farming, the need for innovative solutions in agriculture has never been more urgent.
At the Faculty of Agriculture, we have a vision to provide pragmatic education with intensive experiential learning modules and also thoughtfully designed skill enhancement courses as per the 16th Committee recommendations of Indian Council of Agricultural Research. The faculty has adequate infrastructure, well-equipped laboratories, and also farm fields on the campus. We also have adequate regular faculty members coming from various institutions in the country, also abroad. And we also consider engaging our students to become entrepreneurs and also provide service to the agricultural sector.
We offer bachelor's, master's, and PhD programs. Our programs blend traditional agricultural wisdom with modern technology and research.
We also provide a 4-year course, professional degree, BSc Honours Agribusiness Management, which is designed in such a way that it includes starting from the input, production, processing, distribution, as well as the consumption into consideration.
From soil science and crop management to agribusiness and precision farming.
In our campus, we have multiple laboratories, including a mushroom unit, a honeybee unit, vermicompost unit, a extension unit, a food and nutrition lab unit. These all together give a very holistic, student-friendly and learning environment to the student.
Curriculum is designed to equip students with the skills to revolutionize the agricultural landscape.
In agriculture, we are not limited to books. We get hands-on experiences, field experiments, and practical exposure that makes us prepare for the real world. From modern agriculture to sustainable farming, we know how to make a real impact.
Whether it's sustainable farming practices or cutting-edge innovations like smart farming, our students learn to address real-world challenges with sustainable solutions.
So the faculties are very supportive. They also provide extracurricular activities.
At SSU, our agricultural education goes beyond the classroom. Students engage in practical fieldwork.
Primarily, we focus on the skill development program among the students for developing an entrepreneurial skill among them.
The Faculty of Agriculture at Shri Shri University is where tradition meets innovation. If you're passionate about making a difference in how we feed the world and sustain our planet, your journey begins here.